I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Farmer Nagali with cardboard. To begin, gather your materials. You will need sturdy cardboard, a ruler, and a sharp craft knife for precise cuts. Also, have strong adhesive, a pencil for marking, and sandpaper ready. Selecting cardboard that is at least 3 millimeters thick will ensure your Nagali is robust and durable for its intended use. Let's get started on this fun project. Next, we will focus on accurately measuring and cutting your cardboard pieces. Use your ruler and pencil to mark the dimensions for the main body, handle, and blade. For instance, the main body can be around 30 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. Precision here is key for a well-proportioned Nagali. Once marked, carefully cut out each component with your craft knife, ensuring clean edges. Now it is time to assemble your Nagali. Begin by firmly attaching the handle to the main body using a strong, quick-drying adhesive. Hold the pieces together for about 30 seconds to ensure a good bond. Then, securely glue the blade piece to the front of the main body, making sure it is centered. For added strength, consider reinforcing key connection points with extra layers of cardboard. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your cardboard Nagali. Use sandpaper to smooth any rough edges, giving it a more professional look and feel. You can then apply paint or a protective coating to enhance its durability and make it visually appealing. Remember to allow all painted and glued sections to dry completely for several hours, or even overnight, before handling. Your handmade Nagali is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.